And we're back. Day number 7, I think. I've got 6 little pieces of paper here. So I think we're on day 7, our 7th stocking. These two are hanging right close together. Let me grab one of them. What about that one? Y'all want to see what's in it? I do. Okay. Clover Hot Ruler Press Perfect on Amazon for $14.78. I do not have this. This is an item that I think would be like the neatest thing ever. So I'm going to pull it up on Amazon. And we're going to take a look at it. Let's see here. Let's see what I can find. Should I already had this over here, shouldn't I? Should have, but I didn't. Okay, here we go. It's a hot ruler for sewing, 12 inches by 4 inch. Hot hem ruler for sewing. You can lay it down and you can iron over the top of the ruler. Fold your fabric up to the line and press, and then you slide your ruler. I just think that would be like the best thing ever. Here's a large one that's 14 by 4. That's $27. This one is Hot Ruler Press Perfect. It doesn't say what size that one is, but it's $13.32. Here's another one that's 12 by 4, $10.70. Let's see, Hot Hem Ruler from Madam Sew. There's one. It's $15.99. Okay, and here's a hot hem ruler for your hexagons. Hexagons, triangles, diamonds, and circles. It's pretty cool. It's $19.99. So there's lots of these rulers that you can iron on. Put your iron on them and they're flat, and you can, I just think they would be the neatest things in the world to have in your sewing room. Especially the shape ones, if you're going to do a lot of English paper piecing kind of thing, that might be good to have. So this was day number 7. Y'all come back tomorrow for day number 8. I'll see you then.